Afternoon, my name is Ricketts. I'm a constable attached to the Department of Weapons and Tactical Training. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of this weapon. A lot of persons will consider it to be the SLR. However, the correct name for it is the FAL L1A1, which stands for Fusil Automatique Légère. This weapon was designed by Diodane Saif, he was a developer from FN in Belgium. This weapon was adopted by the British and it was designated the identifying name as the FAL L1A1. In the early 80s, this weapon was utilized by the JCF. It boasts a caliber of 7.62 by 51. Very powerful weapon, extremely powerful, and due to its sheer destructive power, the JCF had decided to adopt the M16 after this weapon. I'm telling you, this weapon is very powerful. It can cause a lot of destruction. Even if you're behind a concrete wall, this weapon can tear it down.